Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate on PancakeSwap for US users step by step clearly. To authenticate on PancakeSwap as a US user, begin by visiting the official PancakeSwap website. Ensure that you are using a secure and private internet connection. Next, connect your cryptocurrency wallet to PancakeSwap. Select a wallet that is compatible, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. If you haven't installed the wallet yet, download it from the official source and follow the setup instructions. Once your wallet is set up, open the wallet application. Make sure you have sufficient Binance Smart Chain funds in your wallet for trading. Go back to the PancakeSwap website and click on the Connect button located at the top right corner of the page. A list of compatible wallets will appear. Select your wallet type from the list to begin the connection process. Follow any on-screen prompts that your wallet displays. You may need to approve the connection within your wallet. After successfully connecting, your wallet address should display on the PancakeSwap interface. Make sure to verify that you are on the Binance Smart Chain network. If not, switch your wallet to the Binance Smart Chain network. To do this, access the network settings within your wallet and select Binance Smart Chain. Once connected, you can navigate to the swap interface on PancakeSwap. Enter the tokens you wish to trade in the appropriate fields. Review the transaction details carefully before proceeding. Finally, confirm the transaction within your wallet to complete the trade. At this point, you are authenticated and can engage in trading on PancakeSwap. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.